I laugh. I laugh. Sarah, let me tell you something. Before I start the saga you. Not be everybody will wish you congratulations, love you. Me wish you congratulations. If you go my boy, you know see that congratulations picture again. You see what Vera do you so. Now what I want to do you. But Vera was so close to you. If I too close to you, you feel suspect me. They tell Mama Nora. Mama Nora, oh. Mama Nora was now. Honey, I said I your boss. So, I say, don't do it. Well, yeah, calm down, my lovely wife. We will use reason follow this thing. Say I go back out. Picture the woman. Relax. When Vera the Sagara, I call the verse for Vera.
I was even waiting.
Because I was waiting for Vera to do this video. When Vera do this afternoon, we come make me overlove Vera.
Vera talk one when we touch me.
The way I tell love Vera now, I wish I see Vera to the do for 10 grand. Maybe Benjamin for say me I go bring goat money come. I go pay. Because why? She do the video, you say get some video where person go do. And you don't the pray say, if I fit get this kind of opportunity, now what I go do with this? And Vera can't do exactly that same thing.
What did Vera talk for one of the people
my dear,
when touch me? Vera say they will not go post my picture because they think say I miss Sarah, miss Sarah post that picture.
Yes.
Meaning say he thought that what I shocked say meaning say not be Vera call they say now. Vera they call children, but now March they say they call. Vera not they post pikin. Sarah no fear, can't go print my children picture come out.
Hello.
Now someone come and don't visit you so you see the way come and say embarrass you.
Hello. You might speak carry.
You no fear. You can go post. You don't even use mouth they cost. You know pay me. You can go print picture come out. They shoot come for your useless pickles. Use that they rob my innocent picture. No yeah rob a picture of one that be now. No na salwa wow. I give you 1 week. No 2 days. Open says you can see apologize. Why they do apologize? You use my take cause it not reach you.
Baba.
Vera they call children fine, but you know they post picture. If you use my cause it go enter house. But you go print my children picture come out. You see the way come out here embarrass you.
Baba, hold on a minute.
You see the way come out here embarrass you because come and finish your life.
Hold on a minute.
Mama mother say you be with pregnancy, but look at your face for one belly.
Baba.
For one belly, see your face. You don't say.
Baba. You hear me,
you
bro?
never born, no laugh with the bone.
You hear me, bro?
No laugh with the bone. The way come and you take finish your life.
I know the year Budia. What guy, bros?
Call it well.
I imagine you got town. When you are going, you come not going away. Moine. I hear you. Why you also go there? When I say, Nana, you went down bros. Damn you.
She too do. I do
bros.
I thought was too much.
We know so to give him any.
They
told Ladian before now. Honor the apology. Make it quick. Oh, give me a win as a guy quick. But as far as we may come here and now. You might need the apology from me.
All deleted picture, video, you are not great. All deleted, you get, watch it. You get better because they wish people.
Aba you ko aso bros. O me kenanya you ko aso ko. Ima we na gunya, gama to gama. Oh, obuka we na robi obuka we.
Are you perfect? Oh, wait a bomb get back.
We apologize to me, bro. Mama we all stick there together because why? Ununa I good so.
When no man be on a foot make you
the feel bros. But say me forgive Sarah for my children, bro. The day I forgive Sarah is the day I betray my own children. And you know what that means. So bro, that will baba man, that was disobey way.
My reluctance is there, no way apologize is there. Not be we want apologize to because we see concern. Go put it picture, comment. They shook out for your pekos, the raw picture. You want do gasena. You thank God say we na we am bene. Now we are bene rest in peace. When that you new born, so the pay we don't forget our own pay. We don't forget the pay labor.
Yeah, true.
But you're also fresh.
No.
How are you fresh?
Yeah, true.
Now if you don't come up since I'm upon now they owe me.
Because I never see picky picture. Me picture there.
I was waiting for her to apologize.
Sarah.
No,
you nah. As you they look your baking now. Na do a move bowe.
I go feel.
Na do a ti ogun no your hand.
I put a picture like that. I go
na do a pretty picture of your hand. Na do a mugun be. You feel pretend for outside. Say no, they pay you. Now you born this one, not be another person picking. How will you feel? You get this kind of picking. To apologize to people who you offend. You say now the pain starts. Some mugus menos kunita because when you say na menos kunita, they do feel waiting like a matter na over because my kunita my magwe there yet in this Sarah do aroyo. If you are Sarah na party, that one and there too. My we Sarah a party. My we Sarah a party, and we can never be party. When you saga the children, you don't look back.
They got the enemy lizard. You don't burn the lizard now. You don't burn the lizard now.
See that?
You don't burn the Osik Malo now.
Now.
You don't burn the Osik Malo now. See Osik Malo.
Maybe it's easy for giveaway.
Only for say night you're born and I carry 2 days.
Forgive what when what you're born in already.
I carry 2 days in there.
Already born in.
Already you're born in. We walk up beg go. Me go beg the old children.
We already born in already.
You might say born now. We might put a picture of your head like
oh, already moved. Already moved.
You might put a picture of your head like
moment you're born.
And now pretty picture come out so or picture come like that. If you ota your picture one year, if you know you say ya wo. If you swag in a bacon.
Right.
Can you know where anything?
Adam yo.
Me I'm a mother. If one money that be, ni me show picture gonna mu ye kere no more.
Adam yo.
Na we bana gbe aro happy yo.
Wait now. We already te born we ni.
Me te born
But mighty ne, you born in oni.
And that not because you might say me put a picture with like that. Yes.
Me mighty born.
Yes, you boy wear a picture here. Me like we both go here. Me te born.
Already move bene, but me put a picture like that. Jara. Sirati. I don't want me you can apologize to me. You see, I now say I dey control myself. You gonna be my team. To come this way for person children. Yeah, when you mogu bowe.
She said she can never apologize.
Yeah, when you mogu bowe. Tiwe. Iwe. Abume. Let iwe. You must away. And then in here, you think we 2 minutes time. Because a must swing me, or you know, you're there. A must swing me now, one man. But the next 2 minutes, or will scatter. This one now should serve as a lesson. So
people who don't see born when they never get you belly. I see
where they feel say you never born.
Anything you take get belly, you don't get 3-4 children already, but if you get the 5th or you want to born,
you never born. You see, get one woman like that.
Yeah, you go start saga again.
It's on your work back. Why the
No, yeah,
we not wear anything. No, we not wear anything.
Saga go rise again.
Oh, what in your arrangement, man? For your man now, you think say our saga don't finish. Fair they enjoy first. We thought that for when noise was running. Kawa a fake lifestyle when you live in it. You think you stop you stop me, man, not saga you. Where I want. Where I want. If I need me and do where I stop him in the saga where. Okay, Sarah, you apologize, you not apologize. I don't need your apology. As far as a picking that day where you born from your toto,
Don't do already.
where me go the saga, is confidence for me now. The joy in me now is too sweet. This one should serve as a lesson to many of you now, where they insult people, children. Thinking say they don't know now. Thinking say you can do it and go free. Allow, you can't insult my children and go free. I decided to let be. I just let be because if Kurita forgive him, not me say me, not give forgive you. Say Rati, Ogun like both now. Oh, when I did that war. If a boy fear couldn't slave, mama slave. Not be mama king. From today, your name is mama slave. Then of you cannot walk again now. On my bed 7 days of Agmon, a boss one day young. Ogohiam no bomb you where you last in move your hana. Vera. In your way was on your way avant. For you to feel drag this picking on Facebook. Vera. Agbo we was son. Agbo we avant. Vera, your children. God will bless your children. Vera, the way you stand by your children to revenge. Anybody when you say not like what you do, minus Kurita, or Rani assume. Vera, I'm so happy. You do this for me. Now if you pretend follow this girl, can't you bring a picture come for me? Ah, Vera. I know if you say I love you now because you're married woman. Vera, I appreciate you. Thank you so much. Vera, thank you for bringing slave to the world for us to see. Mommy slave will forever remain in pain. Kunita, this person will get defense will go saga you before this year end. Hey, sweet month. Cynthia love you, no got the time. Cynthia, you can see that I get you know. That's it, boy. Cynthia, young well, special girl, doctor. Young way. My lady Kurita, sweet mood the very day. Before this year end, mommy slave go saga you. Huh? Jesus. Can I professor? Hey. This defense way the defense so you go regret them. My lady Kurita. This girl don't face such an innocent children. Before. If you decide to let go, that is your decision, my lady. You are not a baby. You get reason. We make you decide to let go of Serikia. But this speaking, Ogun Lagbo Yohana. O Yohana Asungu, Nubano Lamose. Igba Igbogma, no Devagwa. O Yohana Yen Yori, or Jagmo Yori. Epakala momo nda ipaka mwe no mwe epakala mu Yohana epakala mi obo mi ege ya wo Yohana mi emi ya fe ni yo to wa you here slave baby slave we no wari agmo na udogu ugbe ma gba we ugbe ma ya gbo e veno vigbo nera Mami uragmo ya laro na ya luru e. Ovigbo ewo ovigbo no fua baba. Ovigbo no ye na gabaneze. Nu ya laururi. No dinawe. We di ra dinawe. Eri ni won aso dinawe. We di yo pa wo shower we. Eri wo pa ya re ba de na mo yuto. Iyu e yan mi obo mere ya de va wa. Ogun aso ra gbeju wa so. Ogun aso ra gbeju wa vuma. Enwu iyu e yan hui umi enwenwu. Wa kwa mi ari ku yo August. Ebi ya fe no momo ya nyagmo to feliwe. Velu gwe je no gwe ye won ano yeruwe ko but gwe. We ade le gbe we gbe. Agmo na we. O ma mi ru agmo lare o se wa bere wudo. Wa ni na momo na. Wa ra bere wudo. Why ain't one on we yan la rore na. Oh. Ama work video. Undan enahi. We do na emi boy say 2 years. Eye no we na no ge koko meline. When you ya banwa e ya do mo ma we no age. Edu ya zin boy you. Do we we la la dia. Ba fo momo. Ori obo kagma we na gma we gbe wagmo baby slave. No sungu ni ba bo la ra you egbe. No gugbo e. No gugbo e. O Vigbo run well. Vigbo run well. O Vigbo don't know the kind essay when you do. We believe the corner essay. O Vigbo you run well. Vigbo, you're the wrong. O Vigbo, you're the wale because the day you will come back again to her, your family, your papa, your mama, everybody will collect. If I don't do you with I want to do you say Kia, then I will not forgive you. My mind will be at peace. I don't forgive you like that. If I look not at face, how you want me to feel? If I look to his face, how you want me to feel? I wanted 10 Nora and twins and a team say, pursue a saga there as a father, they are alive in my womb. I don't feel retaliate, I don't feel fight for my children. Eh? Serekia wa deva wa. Ugon ya gbovi ohana you are. And I want to say something now. Mommy JJ, stay clear from this issue. I still say you support Sarah. You be my strong party. Don't let me because Sarah hates you. Me and you don't come a long way. Mommy JJ, now you are the thought so. You see this issue, so stay away completely. You born daddy, nobody drag your picking, Mommy JJ, because you get your saga get limits. Stay away from this issue. I will not warn you again, my darling sister. Because as you be so, you never saga people children once. And you cannot expect me to fold my hand. I don't do my own picking. So my rest like that. Why? Which one? No, tell me, write them in the tabular form or in a short letter to me the reason why I no rest. Mommy JJ, please, oh, stay away from this very issue. Anybody will talk for this Irikia matter, Absagara. Anybody, wait, since we they talk truth. Vera will be all the same papa, the same mama. If Vera cannot forgive Sarah, me will come be outside that. What you can use mutations to? Vera saying when he did hospital, 2016, he saga his children, he sought everybody. And because of Sarah, now I saga Vera children. Before me, Vera can't even get our own saga. Because they be sisters. Now, Serikia do bon. As Serikia come bon, he can't expect. And Jennifer Collins, too. Thank you for remembering me. Yeah, by the way, which person get support him? Jennifer Collins. Whatever, what the way maternary. On a remove body. If you not put body, I'll come for the children. Whatever go on, ke Mommy JJ, ke Jennifer Collins. If you not two put body again for this matter, I'll come for the two children. Because I was a way my that's my saga. You're the last first. My that's when I am be matching ya. This is an opening match. Me, I don't feel forgive you. Say Richard, if I may I forgive you, yet to forgive you. Even if Vera on you way.
Loving Vera, one more quick again.
Yeah, come on, way. Iria way. But wait, what really high?
Oh, we got a barry. Because not a lot of barry because tea body there. I wear barry who do my beer. Who tea body very naked to barry. Mommy love you post a picture or not picture.
Nobody should tell me to forgive her.
Or not post a picture here now. Walk ball a picture here.
Nobody should tell me to forgive her.
Who's a snappy becani snappy the woman at the job boy posting ya. They are
nobody should
because
tell me
you are not a mother then. Welcome to the club.
The Quick Talk Show that support her.
You know me.
Make the Quick Talk Show support her. You know why? Oviere, ça ne pas non nive bien. Va ouais. Et du coup, ton choix il est bien. On a un moment yagbe. Et ben, oviere le donner. The feeling of a mom. The coup ton choix nia. Et ben, oviere bien. She supported that because well, maybe she still forgive her. So you cannot expect the quick talk show now we never born. May come know what they talk about. The quick talk show is a young girl. She never bring Piki come now and say, oh yeah, the quick talk show now here do as a guy. If you don't reach that level, she can't forgive say right hand. But now, that's why I say, Mommy JJ, then if I call this in EBN, we need to stick level. Because you're not born, they know how Piki be. I forgive you, say the child. And I can never forgive you. But every other people, I forgive them. But me and Meshu, we don't get any problem. But you see, Sarah, forgiveness is a sin to you and to me. Il y a des bouillons now. So, as they saw my children rich, nobody should blame me if I'm taking this action against Sarah. Nobody, you know why? You will they blame me if you be saying never born. So I know can't say I'm not gonna take him as an offense. Now when she don't born now, she did postpartum now. She's not supposed to be experiencing this kind of thing. Me never come for you. I never come for you. I just to go boy. I never come for you. I can tell you say now when I get your picking picture, I go do your picking shege. I go do your picking with you do my picking. If I don't do you and finish with, if I don't do it to my satisfaction, me, I can tell you say I don't forgive you. Now you can't know if you not forgive me. Or assume from today, your name is baby slave. Fake account, when I use this picking picture to open fake account. Why I keep fake account and what tag baby slave. You know a song. Very large and name ceremony mao. In other way, we'll go on there. Or go on diani. Onya hike yawu. Orienie omomo uhiamie. Orienie uve mwadekiri uhiamie. Egbegbe anyo. Egbegbe anyo we wason. Egbegbe anyo we wavan. Ugudo no be kandi ye. Ora gboes baby slave.
Ibe na won kun. Ibe le doctor me ti gba oge.
Ugudo no be kandi ye. Ora gboe wason. Ora gboe wavan.
Ibe na won kun.
Ugudo no be kandi ye. Ora gboe. Uri biomo e wo mo ko ni gboe o. Una to bowe mu nine. Woto bowo pawe we be shower. Akare mu vio kana yo to woto bowo resti wa. Ekingi nemera ogonwa dia ino. Ekingi no wa ogonwa dia ino. Wa sungu. Momo wa jagbo mo magbe se mu deja pass one. Ogwa ka pass ogwa ki gbo wo kan wa so as evident. You see the way God to punish you. It started with the man that impregnated you. From there, it's you who we are to be where you move your now. We go to what mo how any. Yeah, it's a way. Move your hana. Go to be where van. What to move your hana wa. To be where wa government team your hana. Because of a can have boys only depression. Yeah, I will say. Lady Kurita, I've regarded and respected you enough. Please, my Lady Kurita. Now, between me and Sirikia Matayi Gwanjo, I've respected you enough. If Sirikia cannot come out to apologize to all the children she has offended, then let us give her back what she has given to our children. Thank you, Queen Rita. I know you're going to get my message. Wesley, I appreciate it. Thank you so much. Wah, I beg wah. You people can't tell Serika the truth. When she didn't saw people children, fake account they write down. Now go for iye 3 lizard, iye gbogbo, iye nenemi. Oh, you're just like that. EJ.
Commenter. When I say she did live, they saw people. Now what we need be that make us this can make an answer now.
See you.
Now what we want to be that.
See you.
You but me the talk.
Make sunshine.
This can make an vela. Make on the
saga. Not be want be that one.
Now what we want be that. Now what everybody want to be that. Me can't do saga. Make blood enter his brain.
Show me the saga where you want saga me. Today. Where you want pass what you don't do
my children go pay because he don't see death. Oh, make king get here naga mo gugbe.
I can get here. Slave here.
King get here.
Mama slave. Mama slave.
Naga mo gugbe.
Mama slave.
Omo na o kia ke ire. Na o pa kia ke ire.
Ove koge lawa.
Omo no via la dia.
Lawa.
A perigodi all of them.
Lawa perigod. You remember 12 now.
Another one again we go get belle.
Lawa. Your own. Now because you can't go to saga your sister children. I say now lock up. You say now that boy now you born now. Bring pregnancy where you take carry the boy for 9 months. One year really. We always got me at here. Yeah, more yeko. Me at here. We are take column. Any year now where you do that thing.
You not post me before they do this live they go put children picture. You not post that again. I wanna call on me push children picture. Before I see they do this kind of saga, so what a motivation more you not get anything for you. You want buy, you don't like video, you want buy, you don't drink malt. A malt you buy, malt no sofa.
Who we are suffering? Who saga nice way. We go atalo. Atalo.
Aya we atalo.
Mogo. Oswald. After you don't make my finish, IVF, low man, wash your. After you don't make my finish, if you want your bone, you'll see my husband very clean, very classy.
I go fine. You go they carry my other leg.
As desperate as you are.
I should go school tomorrow. I go put my leg around there and I'll video. EJ!
As desperate as you are,
I've been waiting for.
You can't go born for the fine guy.
Why they jump
but he not end well now.
Jesus.
He end well, no. The guy, you saga a family.
Say you saga his children.
You saga the guy children we don't feel born for us.
His step children.
The Igbo guy, maybe he knew enter Europe. He don't know say na problem he go jam. Problem. When I didn't have you, or soon wagmo. If I born no move and I move any bill. I repeat. Nobody should blame me. I defended my children and I will defend my children forever. I love my children so much. I love my children so much. They are the reason why I've never been deported. Maybe they forgot to deport me. I wish I not get Peking. So Peking will still make me day here after all what enemy has done. Say Enogie, and then what deport now? Me now where say, Yirima, person will not get us vice. You don't forget ACA card for Germany. On my name be no yakin with Germany. I think you be medical checkup in here. Know this and no peace. I get ACA card. I get Osvers. I get Spakase. On my name be key. No. So la will go. Please. Please. Vengeance is of the Lord. Yes. Yeah, with vengeance is of the Lord. But as far Serekia don't know what she do children. You don't know the ignorance of what she don't cause to people children. I don't give Serekia time now. When she get belasaga her, I quiet. I'm not sagarana. That's not the way to defend my children. You will read that and say that's not the way to defend my children. I'm not lucky. Or going to give where you are. If we can soon you are. If we can soon you are. Et moi, il a fait l'oublier. Et il y a des vagues. Oui. On n'a pas y'a ça reste nevé. On n'a pas y'a nevé. C'est le kayambier. After all the match you have made in your life. Maman n'a pas y'a no yabie. Wa soon wa no. You know, thank you for the peace you make between me and Enogie is priceless. Enogie is priceless. Peace of Gbera Sirikia. A piece of Nagbera. Ilawa ya wemi. What's on your way peace? After you don't go inside my children finish. Why you know just rest like that? Why when you on why you don't rest? No so wagmo. A postpartum journey will me yari. You know wala la nene. There is a bueka wepa. You may are school. There is a mo utobo mo zagere uto. I'm on ya igbe soft but better than ya. Ubo we lo ma because why igbe kan yi na akam mo nu bie. Akam mo nu bie ni babo la wagbe. Babo la wagbe wa sun. You need to feel am. You feel the same thing we do people. So that next time while you wallow now, you know it's so person picking again. Oro bi ni wa igbe very oni. Wa sun babo la wagbe wagmo. Wa de apobo I don't go. You not gonna talk to me again because you don't do me now. You don't do me now. Urobi vene. Na ye weri na gwabo awagmo no gungbe. This I don't forgive you. Umem no yale lo makukwe owe. Ikwe ga lele. Oh, that's my lady precious maid.
My brother in who I'm please.
That's my lady precious maid.
My brother that I love so much, they get cute brother like you.
Yeah,
they don't get cute brother.
Yeah,
eh?
Yeah,
they don't get brother. Brother way they make sure say I dey happy. Happy Sunday to you and my beautiful wife.
We'll see we give we'll see.
I call you since I don't have you, I should talk to you.
Yes. I did live video.
Okay, no worry. Now because I don't know say you did live video before, because me they cook.
Oh, tell I contribute.
I contribute now. With the worry, I just have to finish now.
Okay. Oh, it tell you I contribute the video new.
Yes, now because me not know say you did live video. Now people they call me from my line now. 2 people now call me now say you did do video.
Okay.
My brother. I bet you just give me time to talk.
Yes, why not?
Okay.
Why not?
Happy Sunday to you and my children and my wife and your lover. Happy Sunday to all of them.
Thank you so much.
I don't know what you they talk about, but they call me say you they talk about Sarah and you they talk about yes, waiting, my brother. Now just let me talk to you. No. I don't support you for that one. I know say it's painful. I'm not so that worry again. Now we don't where it can I where so or I can experience for not cause she's very wrong. She's very wrong. But you know waiting. Awe we na robi ave iseki bi mase e mama gbanima e mama nya e wi ya maduna na we for continue go for the quarrel. You are my brother, my dear. No let people push you or anything.
Nobody's pushing you.
We not say wetin he talk. No, look at our children. They are beautiful. Now children where people they wish to get.
My lady precious man.
Just listen to me,
my love. Okay, can't go for that.
Forgive her. That same girl calls my children. Call my children bastard, say they be mama black and white and all that. But no.
Mama.
Mama will not say your children, they are not lizards. Your children are beautiful and blessed.
Yes. Mama. Mama.
To her is human, to forgive is divine.
Okay, you have to get in your mama way.
Yes, I hear you.
When me and Becky love quarrel, when we come back, I forgive them completely, right? Me and the Quick Talk Show, we sag our way for this social media. But when we come back, I forgive them completely, right?
Exactly.
The day you said, hold on.
love them too now.
Okay.
Like,
Did
like this Sarah too, because you are going to love her, and because say you forgive her, you call me, tell me say you Rita, you no more don't settle now, and you don't let go. Now make me just let my own die down.
Yes, Adam. When Queen Rita said to us, Queen Rita now said to Imam, I told Queen Rita that he might forgive her.
But Gabriel, are you sick in the head?
But I will respect.
You don't get live video. Make your own live video to the do saga. What's wrong with you?
Mama.
I mean, let me talk to my brother, eh?
Mama, calm down. Mama, I get it. Comment section now. Lao, for your own good. Lao, Mama. Because even you I told Queen Rita that he might forgive you, Queen Sarah. He might forgive you, Sarah T-Boz. But yari you yiri ne years in be no beer. A Sarah beer. I'm apologize to my children. Or when Udaya settle with a cobete as at that time, I said Saga, Messaga, you remember, you might be way right. Now,
God have vindicated us. We're working higher.
Yes, but at the detriment, Mama, nobody pushed me to do this. That is number one. Number two, nobody pushed Serekia to insult my children when she was doing it. So, nobody pushed me to do this.
Okay. Not being insult our children now. But I think from now they don't go the Borun come out now. She will not dare to insult people's children again because she don't see the sweetness.
Mama,
because they're not the same thing.
On our way, this sorry you. We are now defend the arena now. Let me use me and the past as an example now. My social media president, my Panagui, a pack came on her. A pack very well, Enogie, he where now. A pack came on her to realize where no, I couldn't have go to arrest Enogie's mother. A pana ladia, honor the time I'm sorry, honor the apologize to you. Mela ladia, no the time pano egui. Since then, honor for become completely. But the Serekia did not do this.
Let me talk, let me not still forget. You know that girl, I've never told her before. I've never talked with her. I've never even visited her page until the day she born that day. And I did it because I know that there is peace in between us. Because we were never friends, but she threw mats to me then. You know, that one know me. You understand? That one know me. But I might say, now so we kill the warrior at that time. Because she don't go the Borun come out.
Who you better that
discharge her. So it's too early for you to vex. She never come out.
No, Mama, it's not too early because you know why? You know why I say not too early?
Mama, no, Mama, and you can already calm down. Mama, with all due respect, no. Now calm down, move forgive her, even for this in a cause. He get belly, see the people, RIPC, oh, go, yes, you are. All of them, Mama, not to this, I too love you, not to this, Mama. For this, you go quarrel, you go verse, Mama, because it's not done to you. When SRS come up with a big picture, and not the way you feel. If part of the picture, they use blood, the rubber. Now go cook this if for your hair. If they use blood, the picture, Mama, not to move forgive, not talk like that, Mama, beg. Mama, not talk like that, I beg. Mama, beg. Mama, now go ahead. We will not talk like that. Mama, just one step. Where is the rest? Post up the key picture. You know who are happy. And not the way you feel. And not the way you tell it. You haven't thought if it's China. You're going to for Italy. Not be one, not be 12, not be 3, not be 4. Even my newborn baby, women never show it up. He first. He post it back. He put happy. He used my cost, he not pay me. He got pre-picture come out. I never come for Sarah. If I come for life, it's where I go
they beg for your food. I really now let me begin the way. If not in a loan, if you no give. All give me mama black and white. That's how me and Rita get issue. When you take your Rita, you drop me, no problem. You don't see make peace, and because of Rita, that make me see can't love you. That one not be problem. You really overdo. I want from here a message. Go give Sarah. Sarah, when you don't reach out, calm down. Come on live. Come and apologize.
Mama, ọmọ nu wẹ avẹsi wàró dọ tẹbọ ní màwù dọ. ọmọ nu wẹ avẹsi ọmọ náà dé sọrí mẹnu tó sáká ẹsẹ rẹ wò kí mẹni. mẹnu tó sáká ẹsẹ rẹ wò kí mẹni o. Mẹ mama before me. Omade remorseful. No, that's just the truth. Omade remorseful. Yet is forgiven, Sarah. Oh, he get person, mama. He get person where they'll say, "Una forgive her now." We're not that here. Oh, you tear but no more. I just contemplate. I want to receive a lot of calls, mama. Vera, wait, come out. Mama, I want you to ask you only one question. That's why I don't want to stress myself over this issue. That's why I tell my wife, see me, make it calm down.
You're supposed to be normal material.
Hold on a minute, honey.
Okay, honey.
If Vera, Mama Lady Precious Maid, are you still with me? If Vera will be the same father, the same mother. If Vera no fit forgive Serikia, still consagara when Serikia born. Mama, when we use our tongue, cut our teeth for this.
Vera best up for live video. You can't use that push and make your honor day. Mama, let me talk though. I don't say the verse. Let me talk to Enogie. You know that Vera on with your sister, they are blood sisters, something my kind of. But you know, they get some families where they say they not unity no day. You understand?
They my mama family.
That's why we get family where unity day, where we love each other, where we get out of forgiveness. We need to be happy. Now, big thing I God do for us. You understand? Because for Vera to even they insult Sarah. And that means there is Wahala inside the family because not only Sarah.
I just they use that one until they let you they know say. I just they use that one they let they know say. If that one not fit forgive, what about me with sort of children will be outside that? Now I tell they compare.
You know, say that get to do that. Sister, that should make crafts not for social media that time. Yes, man.
Now he make us know say Vera born 5 boys for Nigeria. Now she bring Vera boys come outside.
Bring boys come out. That was not the big disgrace that time. Now it was not good. So I don't blame Vera at all for that. I just that we just beg Vera say I may forgive her, may let her.
Boris, you know we can't queen. We can't queen. We can't we tell you we sat there. Another one. Awa ibare, awa do time ameni. Irrespect ni gari ni kuirita. No one na bieni, no na kama me no di say I na wa say I. I have respect to an extent in them. So now I want to do my own from here. Equirita that we forgive her, no problem. She knows why she forgive him. But me ma forgive Equirita. Very precious, let me be sincere to you this very afternoon. You will forgive Equirita. You must forgive Serikia Jare. My Equirita Masagana. Na mistake. You must forgive Serikia. Ikwe wale ni Serikia kukaderi ade. Ikwe o. Ewa ale ni Serikia ku. But Iga Arude, okay, Mama Miami is calling me. Mama Miami Tire.
Okay, please don't Mama Miami.
Mama Tire. Hello, Mama. Hello. Mama, good evening. I'm fine. I'm on live. Should I put it on Facebook or I should talk to you outside live? Okay, I should put it on loudspeaker.
Oh, yeah, we're going to school now. Finish your life.
Mama, we are going to loudspeaker.
Okay.
Okay, Mama, now it's on loudspeaker.
Okay, Mommy Nora.
Mommy, good evening, man. Good evening, Mommy.
Okay, guys, please listen to me. What I want to say, I will beg you guys to forgive Sarah.
Mama.
Hold on. Let me say something, please. What else do you want God to do? Did you see everything that before her? The guy dumped her while she was still pregnant. It's just because of everything that she has done to the kids that God paid her that way. What else do you want?
That is karma. Yeah.
Now, hold on. Now she's gonna be the one taking care of that child by herself. She don't know the sweetness of a man helping her. So what else? She's sad. She's miserable already. So you guys just leave her. Let God pay her. We can't fight for ourselves. Whoa, what a beautiful fight is this. The man that impregnated her denied the pregnancy while she was still pregnant. She has been the one going to a clinic by herself. Now she's coming home. Now she needs a man to be on her side to help her with the baby. But there is nobody. She's going to be by herself. What else do you want God to do for you guys? You see the head of the little kids that you don't temper with little kids because God says such are the kingdom of God. Nobody tempers with the little kids. If you temper with them, God is going to pay you in your own right coin, which she's already experiencing. So what else do you want God to do? And there's still a lot she will go through, except she comes out publicly and says sorry to all those kids before everything will be okay with her. So you guys don't just hand your hand to somebody that is already in pain. And unless she comes out to apologize to those kids, nothing will be good for her. Hold on. You don't have to force her. What I will tell you guys, don't force her to say sorry. But until the day she says sorry, that's when her life will turn around. This one is just the beginning of her punishment.
Yeah.
She's going to go through a lot of punishment until she comes out to say, I'm sorry to all the kids. This is just the beginning of her sorrow. You guys don't add to it. She will never have peace. Nothing will work out for her till she comes out to say sorry to the kids, the innocent kids that she has offended, that she has laid curse on. So you guys just leave her. I will beg you guys, Enogie, don't talk about her. But God will give her what she deserves. She's already going through it. Now she will come. She's already home. Nobody will help her to change diaper. Nobody will help her to give bath to the baby. She's going to be doing everything. Now the sorrow and the sadness will be real. So you guys just leave her, please. Because till she comes out to say sorry, a lot of problem and trouble will be for her. Okay, please. Hello?
Mama.
Yeah. Just look at it. Okay. You did every evil to the kids. Look, in your pregnancy, the man pardoned you. Does it make sense? She went through that pregnancy period. No man rubbing her back. No man cooking for her. No man petting her. That's already pain. That's already punishment. Now she gave birth to the baby. The baby is at home with her now. She will be the one to wake up at night. She will be the one to cook. She will be the one to clean. You see what punishment else do you want? Please, Mommy Nora, Daddy Nora, please, let God deal with her. Till she comes out, nothing will be well with her. She'll be falling from problem to problems. So you guys leave her, please. Okay?
Mama mia me. Mama.
Did you see? No, but did you see everything that explaining?
That is why you don't even answer us all this stuff, because Kama really pay her visit. Kama deal with her a lot. Look at her body, her stature, her face.
Okay, let me tell you something.
Even for
Mommy Nora, hold on.
Yeah.
You say karma is a bitch.
Yeah.
The universe will always pay you according to your own coin. Galatians 6:7 says, whatsoever a man sowed, that you shall reap.
You reap.
And
Yeah.
she's already reaping it. She has not started yet. This is just the beginning till she comes out and says sorry to every kid that she has laid curse on. So many people will say like, hey, are you boy, yeah, no fake. You understand? Let her be. She's sad. She's miserable. She's dying silently. And now is not even the best time for her to come out to be making noise. So please, look at her when she was pregnant. She was so ugly. God paid her back. You understand? So let her be. Everything she said to you when you were pregnant that you were ugly, she was ugly times 3. Okay, so what else do you want God to do? Now the pain is real. She's going through a lot. She's just doing all of this to camouflage. The pain is real.
Mommy.
Please, you guys, leave her alone. Don't talk about the kid. The child is even innocent.
Mommy.
Please. And I agree with Precious. Let it.
Mommy. Mommy.
Yes.
Okay.
Mommy, I will have a one-on-one conversation with you on this. After live stream, there is some certain things I want to say, but I will have a one-on-one conversation with you because you are someone that I hold high esteem. You are someone that I love so much. I'm going to have a one-on-one conversation with you. Me, my wife, and you, we're going to talk about this, Mama, okay? I've heard what you said. I've heard what you said.
Please.
I've heard what you said.
Thank you, guys. Please. And thank you, Lady Precious Meg, for coming in. Thank you, guys. Mommy Nora, please, I beg you, okay? Please, guys. Okay, thank you, guys.
Thank you,
yeah,
Mama.
bye.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. We're going to have a one-on-one conversation. We're going to have a one-on-one conversation on this. We're going to have a one-on-one conversation on this. But honestly speaking, Mommy Miami, it will be very difficult for me to forgive Sirikia. It will be very, very. That's why I said, I'm going to call you. Me and my wife are going to call you. Let me tell you the next caller. Hey. Hello. Hello.
Hello, Daddy, please. Daddy, please.
Yeah, what's up?
Good evening. I hear my brother. I greet everybody in the house. Mama Laura, good evening.
Good evening, my sister.
Yeah. Daddy Laura. At Mommy Miami, I tried to call just now. May I speak teaching English? At Mommy call just now, I played my brother. You know who he talks to? Those that don't want to.
Yeah, man, wow.
Now
start the walk.
Come already and
my phone will come if it a man again, if it a me, my beta medicator, my beta me quit anywhere. In my phone with him, but we want just, maybe we just do them just because of the friendship in my way.
Now, just Mommy Nora,
is it how we say that to do? No, Mama, the commenter, they are just here to defend my children.
Say they are mad also.
They are here to defend my children because why? Even if you were inner decide back where Mama, wait, you are forgiving Sarah, but I know say I still saga picking small.
Exactly.
Commenters are still there fighting for us.
I don't lie you. You told him how well.
And the mama P.
The kind of help. Your body quirita yene or zola nanya. Wa be akwo do saga quirita. We have you.
Ruta bagay we worry get ni ka ne quirita mo ire o. Ye no te ne no ne quirita na te na ya na gbe wa bu. Atu bege o boy o we for the ko we ko te agmona utama na itama we. Okay, sorry, itama we. What the sorry itama we. Oni ane ko na yari egbe ileri oni je ma di ro wa tamia wo ke sorry utama sorry de dado social media no dado my jo wo ma do mo do zeni yo ma wo ma do poma na to beg you tell me I tell you to social media no so in this time we now we egbe yo bo we ko e me let you wa gan let you we bless everybody go their own way na to beg
yeah
now wo because here we all we maka take Enogie or me be the matter ni ya dele ya sun here we start dying here kakabo we period ni only thing ga photo we period ni asu be de we tell no we pay my we ka
again your man bia o wi ape breme iya gugun ayo odo wi ape breme wa gun ayo o wi ape breme imaiti bono we de o wi ape breme wa gun imata na ya saga we o wi ape breme wa gun imata na ya saga we. Be very careful with the way you talk on this issue. Be very careful with the way you want to talk on this issue. Wagba imatana, we don't make a saga we. But we are saga we. Since we made the value of Ogberowa.
Now, Osalogwa or the judgment of all in it, but then Osalogwa judge. But we best now will go now, Savera now will go. That is sweet. Iye Norame, now will go, mommy, now will go. Why, we're really mommy, me, I'm in why, we were saga. Now I forget it. Now will go. Now, we love you. Not I love you, my brother. When my brother now will go. What is Nora?
Yeah.
Go.
No problem.
Go. Yeah.
When the party ticket is
let's go inside. Please, your voice is not loud. Let's go inside.
hello.
You don't let me fold close one.
Domo sa. Power man, or yes.
Moi speaker, ouvre la vidéo, belle, ouvre la vidéo.
Domo sa. Domo yo.
Ouwe agbona na jina. Even on money.
Domo yo.
Even on money. They want to roll agbona with your soma. In a swell out dead down.
Yeah.
Master, when I do a video, I go gonna leave one boy, man, or so all dead down. Etta, we might beg me, and also the social media can yardy. Oh, we saw it. We won't be a serial. He begged me, my try to guy video now, be pigeon air, but he had this to him and be pigeon way. In a way, Taddy be, no be. Sometimes in life, it don't move. Usabadi mono musea wewene, monosagi agmo. He said to me, come on, when saga is no saga, because in a way, we know your book double. It will be no your book, it will be every time. In a way, my book, if I will be key, I will take your one. But if your family do any way, iya yin yawe kakabo nulao yabo nuwe kere da adi nuwe yabo ni fo
Ipaga lele kwikwe o.
Oga lele kwikwe o ma since we dey kwikwe o ne said you come and saga nya or no saga but if you pa me ahin way in where usalo pa no your mogie again usalo ya your mogie e beg the period it was getting worse usalo no your mogie oh no do your food yo no ya fear that mo we here so for e ma no swear here no suppose no ladin no yin ma we wala o kimi ke no riwu video no re page yi no ati ebo ni mo ya fefe no delete ya kwa but in ya ye ike igbe yo ni ma take ke ma keke
exactly because okakeni ata ma egwe okakeni ata ma egwe ewiniye uni ma no ya delete yi
mo ya fefe no re page yi Jesus abari omo ni ni ya o ya delete ya kwa den ya we go nya even in lao amawu wa saga ma wa la mi so amawu wa saga mi botogo mo na wa lao kimi ke no ri wo bi wa no ri tie bo wa ya boy but ya ma lo pattern ni ya yi lo gbadu ya support him down o sa ba no ri omo gie no go no do ya so furu yo mi na ma ya ma ro pa mama la ko sa oboa mama la ko sa oboa but mi pa ni ayin na we zo wo wi no kin zo wo wo no kin I cannot deceive you. I live in Enogie. Many Ronania. No one record it by the Kwe. Or a lava, on a tuta, your panari for your panatuta. Oh, we in a gilly, doma, dema.
Ipa esa Ghana ni me una I'm here to defend my children.
Yes, I know that.
Also na ta mo fio te breme we no even no ya gwan yi mata na because na fi pe gi o ye de
Davio message we come when we defend the way. I'm not telling you to defend your daughter or your son, but I'm pleading the way I love you so much, the way I like your family so much. He said you that can put your way or no way. But Eromo no more that Eromo no way no more making. But the little I can contribute to talk to you, my brother and Richard Enogie, I can still contribute it and talk to you as a brother. Doesn't matter what people will say, doesn't matter what people will say, but take it when let bagon be bagon, let go. The bag need to be bagon, no bagon aro, no here, Usabwa or Abuye. But I'm taking well my dog me one, Usabwa, you book out your with no Yalatia, do Inia, because of money won't cook Binania. You have a 3 months in any no more yasu or Samson. You have a pace in your mommy, Nigaru, Kagani Yadi. Between the 3 months in an Oyamo, take me near Yasu, no more Yasu or Samson, and where I believe where Usabwa the Boka, you know, where in the Wio Moya Fefe, and
yeah.
Udanio
In Tassa, Domusa.
I mean, where Pastor Grace, here where he could have a feno, but in Miami, Pastor Grace, he'll have
please, guys, share this video for me. Tons of the share is not tons.
Pastor Grace. Here where me, many Arabian, and I believe where I will go Magua against a bone of your one, because I will more. Or we may be on stress in a villa. Nene more, near Bonacada, the ignorance, or sin a ya, a canning wine.
Ipa, they ignorance, no, we don't be an coconut or coconut to apologize. Where?
Because they were not said, Wama no Rototo, not trigger Sagana, they were not trigger Sagana, were watching him, or Tia Matela Tiepo. Only not that way, you're aware of Moyala, and you're more, oh, yeah, and what to fell at him. He want to no, I'm just telling people the truth.
Massa, don't move. Yeah, you guys are. Yeah. Oma Ragui, Oma Siva Dolo. You understand the way?
It was a deal about where the theater may go any trade, but
why are you literate here? I was able to. We can't believe Bobania.
So now, my brother, now, Imado control where the platform where.
Oh, well. If I worry. You understand the record, don't worry.
Okay, where's he? Where's he?
Okay,
ciao.
Don't worry, sir. Don't worry. Hey, Asaburu, here na meke padi. Okay, yes, on the Benati Mena. Wete wa we gbe ve ala Asaburu. A party tigre, okay, that's where do you have a get qua? Or where they will not say, let that go, should be back. Imagine funny day.
My general of Saboni. If you only get time, the party, this is why you will tie instantly. Where they tie instantly. No sooner or sooner, when I tie this thing, I can come on where we are now, we are adults.
Exactly.
We understand it. It's very, very painful. When a mama will back I call it my way, come and visit them. Yes, of the truth. We'll visit and thought that's when you get me. But in your pan, you only impression pan, you only correct with party. Sarah is a very hard nut to crack.
Exactly.
And all my control is Sarah because many people have the impression where Queen Rita or Rototo no. Let's tell ourselves the truth.
Yeah, me ma we carry accuse of here we Rototo. Yeah, or mama say Rakia, you can man with ya. If we read a gaga man out here body more, then if we know is a little macaro yogi, Quirita.
You understand? Even a little in the bed, not about a Paris above and a bed. So we are the man who gets Nena. But she chose to forgive and let it slide. That is her own opinion. So I will let go on but my brother, he married though he has your event to be jet. Anyone is on time away with the amount of Salobua. And may go say that because what's it? Oh, Salobua, when I'm hear it, your ways. Either a beer burning ya pieta.
Yeah.
Either lawyer back, but it be daddy. Oh, yeah, Mugi government. Oh, here, market. Oh, when government market to touch. Oh, why market? Yeah. On a pallet, do here, while no one connect here. And if I say that's a no.
In the Mamma Miami, later banning him.
Yes, according to our word, a word forgiveness is it. So, if she knows she your turn.
Thank you.
And only make up on there or a way. Then you yakele, you may tell me a woman. Also, in a okay, or my I can't when they get the or we get it in your gun. Or my lady, I can already ask.
Of course.
Yeah, man, don't be away again. I'm a woman. You may do getting it.
You understand?
So, if you want my brother, to book in my way, but while in a soft way, or why you hear it. Because your quarrel, Adreganion, I'm only mad by it. I'm only mania for why you won't egg by it. Because your whatever, your pamita, your pamagogonia. As a guac by Bella son of Biagua to Momonoje, you may swear. My traditional bath in Washaki and 7 days they may wait 7 days in a guy for power to man okay, you are very dear Lenia.
Cagabo.
Get the number of you
Yes.
So, never while on every problem say, well, we did not look, you will make it. We are not why you are a back or one so loud will work. You don't tell people how to react. You don't tell people when to react. You don't tell people whether to react or not. They have their life because they don't win it when they don't say, when you are shocking and my king, you have to bash. My king. You need more. You're going to shackle money. You may not let it be looking at a shacking it. So now she knows the worth of being a mother. Now she is now welcome to a motherhood. I believe she is going to learn. She's going to learn.
Yeah.
And she will learn from it. So, apology, I believe she would do it when the mama went out.
Imani de apology, Mani de. Maya ga igwan wo ki make Lady Precious make the card yake ya. Mawe fascinated so I conclude the name ya. Yeah, but for now.
To the children, Enogie, mama went out. I force it, can't be terrible.
Women meta. Me man need the apology, I'm going to force no way.
Yeah, then she will do it.
No, she will
do it.
You ain't always.
She will do it. The apology is not to you. Or any other person, but to the children, no she need to. Is a must do. That's just gospel too. Are we really anyone on the what to jam? So, because what's one that the man already no we show us. Or you call me a banana like present and I walk one say one. Okay, I will hear no more call the right well. It is easy now. It is easy now. On another, he call me a guy, not call me a guy. If you're not being a man, I think when you let the I cannot be the land. Oh, when you have man, I feel like, oh, when Matia
gone for it.
So, and no right again, no, I get fit with you. Unless a robot changes again, only the only me, but no loud or horse, you bought loud. Now, no problem. Why you bonny, but not the latest grammar. La wo no give le a bag on be back on la.
Where's so you no problem.
Okay,
you no guy. Madame quoi?
Forgive us, Ramanista, a fancy way. Your real fan and supporter will be very angry with you. We may be na bata. Okay, Romania in Yana, your relative will be better of Yerudo. Just imagine how why, I'm calling why. Una even get you drunk, or woman to go more at least over the precious make you like a man or of your
why we're teaching when I did a few beg Lady Precious.
We are reported page. Why imagine you know post of your with a day. We might be posted page. Just imagine nonsense. If I were a strong follower, a strong supporter, well, and here and one would deny support you. Who are one on I would be very angry.
No problem. No problem. We'll see. Please, anybody. Everybody have right to their opinion, regardless of where. So I do yayo real life. Now, my people. Now see me, I did on a very hot temper since. Right from when Lady Precious make take call to Mama Miami down. That's why I say, yeah, go. I will love us when he rebuy the Mami Agua. I was saying, we're not being a me. Why me not being a no wa? As I be, I was being so petty children. Okay, damn where I did do this thing because why? Say I don't know the ignorance of what she don't do. Hello, good evening.
Good evening, sir. If your power only water, I'm going to glad by your forgiveness, forgive her, forgive this. Una forget, then I when Sarah get the left. Now he come for command, let people forgive her, so no go saga is kicking ahead. So if I not get when you want to number way, who will not forgive Sarah? And if you know what that will go me, I don't have to forgive it. Every if you forgive Sarah, me will not born your children. Me not go forgive her. Not the other case when the platform here. They not cannot forgive Sarah. I don't know that they are somebody. Even your boy. On your time when they tell you what.
We'll see. Una way they say me I forgive Sarah. I mean, Mama, all my lovers that are saying I should forgive Sarah. The truth is that Una no know Sarah. Sarah, I don't know how. But my Sarah saying what I will forgive her. Or maybe I know they think to the angle what are they think to. The reason why I come here this afternoon, my lovers, my fans, and because my children. Now the only right answer say that the Sagami. You don't get Sagami, we say that never for Sagami. But now she be the mugu. Wait, he say I don't forgive her since then. And because of Rita, I will come reach this extent. I forgive her. Do you understand? It's going to be something. I will sleep over this issue. It go hard, but I will sleep over it. Hello.
Hello.
Sister Nicole.
Corona. That's Nora. It is precious. Maybe get mommy when in America. What's the again now? It because if I one like business here, if I go like business, because again, I must believe in the social media now. I hope here when you what your body here, you're not a parapio, you're not a parapio way. You know, it's when you are done, maybe any here social media, or you might have the Filemi and I have here. Osapara to your big body, not the weapon and not to soon with social media. When my beg when if I want more like bear, when my beg, social media na ya se no esiko modern do bia be abandon ikpe na display of balloon of ya display say right social media ona ha rule le lo bia be there me this one when you go presenter name no ni fa go like be say be your ni okay no we we bia kan na bia bonan be o go pa if bia kan ni rat ya bonani o punish e oye na get for Sarah. Obonari jet, obonera we ahia, why are you doing today? I can't walk on no more. Make you well, what was if I bought like Benny? Oh, here, what like here? After Natala, I get the social media also. What's yay? Do you know that I mean, we do you know that we are a few women based on your own? Nobody go decide for what. If a man was saying go give the picking small, he go give Sarah small. Maybe a man or about where what I was here, you know what I mean here because near school, when they laugh of you be if we're all where Gisira, if battle where Gisira. If we are selling a vera near a Benjamin Mau, a Benjamin to Palo to Nevera is a vera, a Benjamin a left in vera in Masogini. Well, what the left here? Okay, we're better left for one where young was a guy keeping no monopia. We're gay. We're going let us when they need the law. Back over CIA. You know, Rado, on your what's wrong, CIA. Yeah, you don't a punishment here because you may tell me, you may tell my where you want here, but you may tell you may agree where and you're not here, but you're not here, bring a rat here, bonemo, and you're not here, barring a park of another here, bona. Only man in no way, only must take it. Ya said, a palace or your funeral so don't know. But my punish again, even the only.
We'll see.
Fiante Bremen. Fiante Bremen. Yeah, if there are no saga, and I say your sister Gara of your hand, why or one? If one which better know who's a Ghana, we use the follower, they say, we don't forgive me for post picture, how one? Okay, I wish I don't Sagara who come and do high. We don't need to high. Filter.
What's of filter? No, high. Only you live of filter.
Yeah, put your day life.
For a man, it is that because Vera Mikon the Saga, Serikia. Menoga Lily Serikia, quick will. Benny, me, why will you wear quick way now? What you go filter? And then Yamu way. Where my police, for boy. Oh, if Vera made the picture, and also not posted. Oh, not to boy, yes, now, because after all, already lose God in the Vera now. For real. For real. What do you mean?
Even if I don't need to apologize to adults when me and clash, only apologize to the children, innocent pikin. Because say maybe now only Enogie are these people where you don't insult their children, now you get enmity. Children get very strong head. You don't mean anything like that, but I hate you because of children when you insult. And not just me, other people there where you never cross a path, where you never put in for face, where hate you because of children when you dey insult. You go think like okay, me when my sister Enogie marry me, you are your but when me we work with me, because the pikin dey innocent. But now you make people they insult your pikin today. May you just get up for your man. Because of not just people where you they insult their children, but because of other people. Because you make one jam on not get hate you back when. May we met this for when you trade them out of barrel. Because when we are here, but never a pack of your man can also marry a pishi here not post it. People not go get anything where they'll do you, but don't carry their picture, you go they post children. No good boys in here. Anyway, Jack.
Thank you so much. We'll see.